Hey everybody, it's Lee Jordan with USA Roofing. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about starter shingles. Starter shingle is your first line of defense on the leading edge of your shingle. What you don't want is you don't want to have too much space to where the wind will blow that shingle up and drape up the entire slope. So what some companies tend to do is take the cheap way out or cut corners, and they use a 3-tab shingle that they just flip upside down, and then they use that for their starter course. But as you can see, the seal strip is about 5 inches away from the eave of the house. So that's gonna allow that much to blow up if the wind were to catch it. And as you can see with the traditional starter strip, it's nailed above the seal strip 1 inch from the top of the eave. So you can overlay the next shingle on top. And then we're gonna work our way all the way up to the ridge of the house. This is your first line of defense against wind catching the eave of your roof. So guys, if you'd like to know any more, you can reach us by phone, or you can also reach us on our website, usaroofing.us.